this. Move on to NVDA. February 10th, 2025. February 10th, 2025. Sheesh. This is a big gap. NVIDIA at these prices aren't filling a whole gap, so let me see what we have on the 4-hour time frame. A double top right here, and then a double top right there. Okay, look at this. Okay. Touch here. Alright. I gotta get out of this habit. Like, I don't need to change the color of these lines, but this is how I do it for my setup. I just need to make them my default color at this point. Boom. This is the end. This is the high everyone's watching right here. Seller step in at this wick right here, red to green into the high. Break out. Now we're holding this first target hit, break and hold above. Sheesh. Hit. Let me see what I could have done better. This is definitely a gap though, so it definitely had room to move. But with new NVIDIA, okay. Perfect hit. Nice dollar move. Nice dollar move. Double top right here. Nice double top right there. Yeah, we couldn't break and hold above it. May 13, 2025. That gap is still here. Or was it right here? May 13, 2025. I'll do this body, then I'll do this 2. Okay. Okay. Seller step in, close to a double bottom. Entry, breakout. Came back down to the point of entry. Hit the first target, 125.87. Hit the next target. We're holding up nice, right in a 9 EMA, bouncing off of it. Let's go to 10. But NVDA is a slow mover, so can expect this. Boom. Straight up to the next target.